Welcome back. Now it's time to talk about the switch statement. Normally, I have an example that goes with the definition. In this case, the example was so huge that it didn't fit. We will see it in action later. For now, let's start with the definition. The switch statement is a conditional statement, just like the if statement, used to perform different actions based on different conditions. This is basically the same as the if statement, but this one is made for situations when we have a lot of options. Without further ado, here I have an example that will show you everything you need to know about the switch statement. Here I'm declaring a variable called d, which has a 1 in it. The switch statement is this right here. I'm passing the variable d as a condition, and then the switch statement matches this condition right here to one of its cases. Right now the variable d contains a 1, so it will match this right here, and it will print Monday to console. In this case, it's obvious that I'm matching a number with the day of the week. So just remember that. I'm passing a variable as a condition in this case, and the switch will match its value to one of its cases. You can see the syntax of a case right here. You write case and then the value followed by a colon, and then without any curly braces, you write directly all the statements you need right here. Then you write break. Break means the end of the case. Break is a keyword in Java that means get out of here, get out of this block. The block ends here, so when it finds a break, it will jump to line 30 in this case. The switch statement has a couple of tricky things, the first of which is the way it takes conditions. Here we are not evaluating true or false. Here we are simply introducing a value inside the switch case. It matches the value to one of its cases, and if it doesn't find any case matching the condition, it jumps to default. And what is default? Well, default is a case just like this one or this one, but instead of having a value, it's used as the default case to which the program will jump if the condition doesn't match any of the other cases. And the other tricky thing I haven't commented yet about the switch statement is its syntax. To remember the switch statement easily, you must write a couple of these down and make your own experiments. And that's it. Well, I hope now you understand how the switch statement works, and I recommend you to practice everything we are doing in these lectures because it will help you remember all the content of this course.